Hey everyone, I'm Kevin and welcome to Know Your Deets. My last video on Canadian streaming was a huge hit, but let's be honest, the game has changed in 2026. Between hardware blocks on Firesticks, price hikes across the board, and the CTV app closing up shop, it's getting complicated. Today I'm breaking down the essential 2026 survival guide to help you cut the cord without the headache. Let's get into the deets. Canadian Streaming Guide, the best services for 2026. The hardware note. Before we start, a quick heads up on the hardware lockdowns you've heard about, like Amazon's Stage 3 block. If you stick to official app stores for your usual apps like Prime, Disney Plus, or the ones we're covering today, you're 100% fine. This only hits power users who sideload third-party apps. If that's you, you might want to look into a mini PC. But for everyone else, you're good to go. The FAST Foundation, the Free 3. I'll keep mentioning FAST, so let's clear that up. It stands for Free Ad-Supported Streaming TV. Think of it as old-school cable with a channel guide you can flip through, but it's completely free because it has commercials. These are the three you need to have. Pluto TV Canada. Great for 24/7 channels like Star Trek and the Rock Channel for curling fans. No login required. Tubi, the king of variety. Plex, over 600 channels now. It's the go-to for the DP World Tour Golf and 24/7 Murdoch Mysteries. Plus, it's great for organizing your own media. Canadian Essentials. If you want content from home, here's the core lineup. CBC Gem, the home of the 2026 Winter Paralympics happening right now. It's free with ads or $5.99 to go premium. Knowledge Network, BC's public broadcaster. 100% free, no ads, and packed with incredible documentaries. NFB, National Film Board, a total goldmine for Canadian history and world-class animation, totally free. Out TV, still only $5.99 a month, is the premier spot for LGBTQ+ storytelling and reality hits. Crave, the new CTV home. The standalone CTV app is being retired. You now find the free library, like The Amazing Race Canada, by making a free account inside the Crave app. The paid heavyweights, sports, and cable alternatives. If you're ready to pay for premium or want that cable-like feel, here's what's worth it. Crave, $22 a month premium. The big one. You get all the HBO Prestige shows, plus the Oscars live on March 15th. V-Media, starting at $19 a month. If you missed the cable box experience, this is your best skinny basic replacement with a 7-day scrollback feature. City TV Plus, $9.99 a month. The place for FX, FXX, and Law & Order Toronto Criminal Intent. River TV, for $16.99 a month, you get access to over 35 channels, including Global and CBC News Network. TSN Plus, $8 a month. A solid deal for F1, NFL Red Zone, and basketball. Sportsnet, $29.99 to $42.99 a month. It's pricey, but for out-of-market NHL fans, it's unfortunately the only place to be. It's definitely getting more expensive, but you can still build a custom lineup that works for your budget. Which one of these changes is hitting you the hardest? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day!